Okay, so we're about 2 days off finishing the dig at Les Varines, and one of the things we've been doing throughout the project has been lifting all the sort of flint and also all the stones as we've been going along. Les Varines, the first few years have been looking at the sort of post-depositional processes or periglacial processes that have been disturbing all the flints that we sort of had on site, and it's basically been tracking those, the direction of them, so we can look at these sort of sediment flows that are going on. Now we're beginning to get to more sort of cultural layers, and we can see behind me we've got this beautiful hearth with potentially being able, we're recording all of them, the position of every single artefact, so we can tell not only the sort of those post-depositional processes, but potentially some of the cultural activities that might be going on, if there's particular sort of groupings of material, whether or not we might be able to refit some from a particular area, recreate flint knapping, that sort of thing. What we've got here is a lovely little grave fragment. So we can sort of, so as well as the actual positioning of it, which we've been recording with total station, gives it a sort of 3D positioning. We've also been looking at how it's sort of laid in the ground. So you can sort of see here that we've got it slightly dipping. So we've been recording a lot of those, and that sort of gives us an idea of the direction of them. So we've been producing little weather maps, essentially, of sort of how these objects have been migrating across the site. So the first thing that we're always doing is sort of lifting it out, getting the full length of it. So this one is slightly larger. So yeah, this is 58 millimeters long. It's got a long axis, by which we mean it's longer than, it's more than twice its width in length. So the direction of it, if it has been disturbed, we're going to be the dip of that, so that is 15, so it's dipping 15 degrees that way, and then the orientation of it, so that is 24 degrees orientation, and then we're also looking at which way up it is. So this is essentially sort of back of the flint. This is the ventral side up. So you can sort of see the little dorsal there. And I mean, that's sort of quite a typical sort of artefact we've sort of been getting. It's interesting, a lot of the sort of Magdalenian technologies, they're producing sort of quite elongated flints, which really does help with this sort of process of looking at sort of direction of things. And we're also looking at the patina. This is patinated. Could be there. Okay.